Hey, are you looking for the best free traffic sources for affiliate marketing in 2025? Well, you came to the right place. If you don't know who I am, I'm Gio Gianta. I'm a top producer and top traffic provider in the online space, and I help people to build and grow their business online. And in this video, I'm going to share with you the top free traffic strategies that you can use to build and grow any business online, how to actually do it the right way. And I'm also going to share with you some paid sources if you want to actually use paid traffic as well. So you're going to know both strategies and how to actually use it in an effective way. So first and foremost, let's get into it. So when you're building any kind of opportunity online, you're going to need a way to retain your leads online. So if you're trying to get free traffic, the best ways to get free traffic are through social media or YouTube. In both, right? I like using both. So I create video content for YouTube and I like using Facebook. Facebook and YouTube are my top strategies that I actually use. And if you want to know how I went from zero to making my first 100K online, then click on the link below this video, opt into this page, put your name and your email in, and you're going to be taken to a presentation that's going to break down exactly how I did it. Right now, I'm not guaranteed that you'll make your first 100K online. Through these strategies, all depends on your work ethic and your skill level and what you actually do, right? So you have to be able to be consistent with whatever you're doing online. Consistency is key. Putting out content, being able to produce and be valuable to the people that you're in front of, right? So your audience is depending on you to show them how to actually do something. So when you create content, they're sitting there watching you. Like they could watch this video. People who are watching me can watch this video over and over again, and I could be sleeping and I could be generating leads. So that's a way to get free traffic. So you want to create content to be able to generate leads. When you create content on YouTube, on Facebook, on TikTok, all these methods are very good for free traffic. So you're going to want to have a page like this, and this is pretty much like your hero page, right? So it is branding. Your branding is going to be very important. Your authority online, your presence online is going to be very important, and you want to have a page like this. And we can actually get you something that's custom branded to you when you work with me long term. So pretty much I use a funnel builder tool to build this out, and I'm going to show you more about it, right? So here's more about traffic, and I'm going to go into the funnel builder tool that I use, and it's very, very inexpensive. We actually pay you to learn marketing and to be able to get leads, right? So we pay you to build your pages, we pay you to get coaching, we pay you, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So pretty much here's free traffic strategies right here that you can use. If you don't want to use Facebook and YouTube, you can use these other strategies as well. There's plenty of strategies in here for this, right? And here's the strategies right here. So you're going to learn how to launch your business. You're going to learn how to invite people. You're going to learn how to get unlimited leads on Facebook. You're going to learn how to follow up with your leads. You're going to learn how to do short form video. You're going to learn how to rank your YouTube videos. You're going to learn how to get more people to the videos. You're going to learn how to do Facebook the right way and build your presence online. You're going to learn podcasting. There's things in here for LinkedIn, Facebook Lives, doing different things, and then being able to create your own products. That's going to be very important for it, generating leads as well. So you want to have an offer, an irresistible offer that you use to be able to generate leads. So it could be a giveaway, it could be ebook, it could be something that you give in exchange for a piece of contact information, right? So that's what's going to actually help you. And the funnel builder tool that I use is right here. And with the funnel builder tool, it helps me to be able to build out my pages like the one that you saw. And right here will take me into the funnel builder. The funnel builder is only $25 per month, and we pay you $20 per month in residual income. So that means anybody using the tool to build whatever they want in business, we'll pay you $20 per month. So you're using the tools to build your business, and anybody who signs up with you, it doesn't matter what business they're in. They don't have to be in the same business as you, but you still get the commissions, which is really cool, because we show you how to do different things with this builder, right? So the $25 is going to give you the funnel builder tool itself, It's going to give you the ability to make $20 commissions, and it's going to give you this coaching right here. And we show you how to buy your domain, how to get a business email, how to set it up with your autoresponder and your funnel builder, and then the things you need to do to make sure that your emails will end in the inbox and not go into spam. So you need to set this up right here. We'll show you how to do that. And your email list is most important because everybody gathers on your email list from your content. So if you're creating YouTube videos, they're going to go into your email list. If you're using Facebook, they're going to go into your email list from Facebook. They're going to make it onto your email list, and the free strategies are very, very important, right? So we show you how to build your own pages. We show you how to create multiple funnels. We show you how to create a hero page like you saw my page, my hero page. We show you how to do URL redirects, which means if you have offers or things that you get commissions from, you can do a redirect from your domain, which it comes off your domain, so it looks very nice, and it's not a long, ugly affiliate link. We show you how to share your funnels. We show you how to track every lead that comes in the builder, so you know which source it comes from. We show you how to, create your own products. So right here, we show you how to sell your own products. We show you how to do upsells and downsells in your products. We show you how to build membership sites. We show you all that in this training, and this is only $25 per month, and you get a $20 per month in residual income. So if you want to get the funnel builder tool and this training right here, make sure you click on the link below this video. And if you want the traffic portion of the funnel builder, make sure you check the box, right? So there's going to be a box where you get 2 weeks free of coaching. You can come on the coaching calls every single day, live by Zoom, Monday through Friday for 2 weeks when you sign up for the funnel builder tool, and you get coaching hands-on. So we go over the shoulder. We show you how to write emails that serve and sell. We show you how to create videos. We show you how to rank those videos so that way you get traffic. And then at the end of the call, you can ask questions. So it's live by Zoom. We're very hands-on, very much live by Zoom. So if that's something that you like, make sure you click on the link below this video and sign up, right? So it's really going to help you out a ton. And then you can actually make money that way. So you have to generate leads, build an email list. And then when you're building an email list, we pay you $100 per month when you have the traffics and conversions portion right here. So it's $120 per month per sign up that you'll be making right here, right? And then we show you how to keep your mind on track as well. So you set your goals in this app right here. It's Let's Go, and we show you how to be more effective and produce more on a day-to-day basis. This app is a goal setting and a productivity app. So when you have it, you're able to actually set your goals and put them in this app and be able to check them off on a day-to-day basis, which keeps you on track and allows you to get more done on a day-to-day basis. So this app right here is $10 per month. You get $8 per month in residual. So when you sign up for these 3 products by clicking on the link below this video, you'll only pay $35 today, and then you have 2 weeks free of coaching with that, right? So those are what you want to do to be able to generate leads. You need a way to capture your leads. You need training and coaching on how to actually do it, the strategies, and you need to be able to stay on track when you're doing it so you could get the most done so you could actually make money online. So if you're ready to do that, make sure you click on the link below this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any time that I upload new videos. And if you want paid traffic, you can come over here to profitbuilderstraffic.com, and you could come to my traffic store. And there's going to be a link below this video to come to my traffic store. And here's some of the results that I've got for people. If you want to get paid traffic, here's 200 clicks, 3 sales, 90% opt-in rate, and there's plenty of testimonials right here. So take a look at this for yourself. Here's my traffic packages, 90% and 100% tier 1. Here's the questions that people ask, and then here's my guarantee to you. I guarantee you 100% real traffic, no bots, no fake clicks, 100% real people. And if you have any questions, concerns, or comments, you can leave them below in this box right here, or you could write them below this video. I will answer them if they're below the video. You can also get into my free Facebook group. There's going to be a link below this video for that as well. with this link to this traffic store, you can also subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any time that I upload new videos, right? So thank you for watching, and bye for now.